हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपकी ये रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। सो आज मैं जिस गाने पे रिएक्ट करने वाली हूँ उसका नाम है आई जस्ट माइट और ये है ब्रूनो मार्स से। सो ब्रूनो मार्स इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट पॉप आर्टिस्ट। आई हर्ड हिज अ लॉट ऑफ हिज सॉन्ग्स। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। लेट्स सी व्हाट ही गोना डू इन दिस। यो यो मुझे ब्रूनो मार्स की सबसे अच्छी बात लगती है हिज वर्सिलिटी, बिकॉज एज यू ऑल नो आई एम अ वेरी बिग ऑफ अ ब्लिंक। सो मुझे इनका रोजे के साथ गाना अच्छा लगा था। नहीं है अ लॉट ऑफ सॉन्ग जो उनकी मतलब दिखाती है कि कितने वर्सेटाइल आर्टिस्ट है ब्रूनो मार्स। इज इट अ कंट्री स्टाइल सॉन्ग? आई लव हिम इन दीज काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग। लग रही है कि ये कंट्री स्टाइल ऑफ सॉन्ग है एंड आई एम लविंग इट बिकॉज यू नो ऐसा नहीं है तड़कता भड़कता सॉन्ग और बहुत सारे लोग हो। इट्स गिविंग सच अ गुड वाइब्स। यस यू डिड। I love him in this green, suit he's wearing and this thing he's wearing on his head, the scarf he's tying. और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि ब्रूनो के सॉन्ग्स हैव मिनिमल कोरियोग्राफी बट दे लुक सो ऑसम। ये you better show me now. Yeah, ooh, I don't know what to do, but I'm loving the song. Huh? Yeah. Wait a second. Everyone is Bruno Mars. Wow. Why everyone is looking like Bruno Mars, like guitarist or everyone? Oh, everybody is Bruno Mars. Like he have his duplicates playing the guitar and everything. Bruno Mars is my favorite. I love country music. Oh. सबसे बड़ी बात है ब्रूनो मार्स हैव दैट सूथिंग वॉइस टू हियर. I just made. Oh, I just made. Okay, Bruno Mars, my face is getting you so intrigued. He's saying like what about like he's saying booty with such a hilarious tone. It's not even sounding like he's talking something about bum or ass. I love his this step. But everybody is Bruno Mars in this video. That is kind of funny and comedious. Like, everybody is Bruno Mars. He has his duplicates playing guitars and everything. This is why I love Bruno Mars. His videos and everything is just about him. That is like so good. Yay! Bruno Mars is like, he can bring your like, that, कि हम लोग कहीं पे हैं फार्म फूम पे और ये गाना बज रहा है, that kind of, vibes. Yay! Bruno Mars have good vocals. There is no denying in this. Because अगर उसके गाने सुनोगे that is so vocal and everything is so vocally about this song. Down, 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 down. Wow, his bum, that is the way he's going. Down, 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 down. His bum is looking so good. I'm such a big fangirl, man. If I like what I see, I don't know what he want to see, but I hope he will like it. Yeah, baby. His tone is so good and it's such a enjoyable song. अगर आपका मूड नहीं भी है ना तो ये सॉन्ग ऐसा है कि बस आप enjoy कर सकते हैं. ये और सबसे अच्छी मुझे इस वीडियो में बात लगी, everybody is Bruno Mars. He have his duplicates. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yo. Bruno Mars is legend. I love his this step, the way he's doing toot 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 is so good. Baby. I think this song is done. And my Bruno Mars. I have to say this guy always bring me joy. His song with Rose and his other songs, he's such a versatile artist. I love him. Or this country style music, like if you are not in the mood of hearing anything, you can just hear it. You know ये कैसी vibe दे रहा है कि आप किसी farm के अंदर है and you just play it and you just dance and work. This kind of vibe is so good. And his one thing I loved about his video in this, like there are only he and then his replicas who is playing, like there was no other people. The focus was all on him. It should be because it's his song and I loved it. I love Bruno Mars. I loved his this song, I Just Might. And जो country style इसकी vocals है, I always say this. Bruno Mars have such a vocal that can fit in so many kind of genres and so many things. You just cannot deny it. His impact is so much. और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि भाई ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ज्यादा डांस कर रहा है. It's such a joyful dance. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई so much of a step he's doing hip hop or stuff. It's not like I hate hip hop, but in this kind of song, if बहुत ज्यादा कोरियोग्राफी होगी तो वो सॉन्ग का मजा नहीं रहता है. बट इन दिस सॉन्ग आई लव्ड इट. आई रियली लव्ड इट. ही रियली नेल्ड इट. So I hope you love my reaction, and if you did, so please subscribe to the channel. That is very important to me, so I can understand like you all liking the content. Like the video, share the video to your friends and anybody who love watching reaction channels. Comment down below if you want me to react on anything or want me to do anything. अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं कोई reaction challenge or eating challenge or anything you want me to do, so I can do it. Please comment down below for that. I love hearing, everybody thoughts, what they want to see in this channel, because I love doing fun here. And bye bye baby.